Hey guys, welcome back to another Abiotic Factor video. Today we're going to be breaking down how lasers work. I'll take you through the devices that you can see in front of us, and I'll be showing you some power optimization tips that you might not have known. So let's get into it. Starting off, we have the laser emitter. The laser emitter will take wall socket power and turn it into a usable laser beam. This laser beam could then be used to power devices, set up trap or damage areas, or even redirected to other areas. The green device on the top right is a laser prism. It can take a laser beam and convert it into 3 weaker lasers. These could be used to power laser devices, so I essentially think of this as a laser plug strip. Down on the bottom left here is the laser power converter. This will take laser energy and convert it into usable power that we can run our base with. Over on the right hand side, this blue device is a laser reflector. It'll take a laser beam and allow us to redirect it into any direction. Lastly, on the bottom right here is a laser collector. The laser collector will take laser energy and store it so that we can refill our ammo and weapons with laser power. A plug strip will give you 3 outlets and a plug board will give you 6. It's important to note that daytime will last from 6 AM to 9 PM and nighttime from 9 PM to 6 AM. From the previous video, we know that each device will drain 1 energy unit every 5 seconds. So 54 units per night is a safe bet. With enough tech scrap in your bags, you can extend wall sockets to any position you like throughout your base. Next up, we have environmental lasers. These are found in numerous locations throughout the game world, and they run continuously throughout the night cycle. This means that you could use them to power a number of items in your base. However, when you move far enough away, environmental lasers will despawn to reduce lag and improve game performance. Because of this, I recommend only using them in trap setups, not for storing food or items that can decay, since those systems can break when the laser despawns. With our knowledge on battery drain rate, here is a setup that we know won't work, as the industrial battery only holds 100 units of power. This is important for the next step. Setting up laser power is quite simple. First, we will place down a laser power converter and connect this into this device here. From here, we will then go ahead and set up a laser emitter. This takes wall socket power and turns it into a usable laser beam. This laser energy is then fed into the laser power converter, which turns it into usable power. In this next setup, we simply add the industrial battery prior to the laser emitter that then feeds power into the laser power converter. From here, you'll see we run 6 devices throughout the night, as the laser emitter only counts as 1 device running. Knowing all of this means we can modify this setup further. With the same setup of battery into emitter into power converter, we can then feed this into more plug strips and plug boards that filter into more devices. We can power any number of devices using this same setup, as again, the emitter is the only thing being powered and only counts as 1 device. You could have well over 30 devices powered off this one setup. The laser collector receives and stores laser energy so that we can recharge our weapons and our devices. The laser reflector allows us to redirect the beam to a direction of our choosing. The laser prism will receive laser energy and convert this into 3 weaker lasers, kind of like a laser plug strip, if you will. This allows us to power multiple laser devices. You'd be right in thinking that we could take one of these beams, feed it into a converter, which would then output power for more multiple devices. Now hold on to your pants, because this is where it gets funky. What if we remove the wall socket power and instead recharge the battery off the power we are already creating? Now we have created a self-sustaining loop whereby the battery is being charged by the power we are creating, thus not requiring any wall socket energy. It's like charging your phone with your phone. Don't worry, it makes even less sense when you diagram it. This might get patched out in the next update, but for now, magic clearly exists. Alright guys, that should be enough to give you a solid foundation for working with lasers. I'm no expert, as most of my time's been spent messing with batteries, so there's probably a ton of laser tricks I haven't even touched. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and remember, retinas are temporary, but laser glory is forever. See you in the next one.